Family is the compass that guides us. It is the inspiration to reach great heights and the comfort that welcomes us back home. A very pleasant good morning to our respected coordinators, teachers, and dear friends. Today, Class 10A feels grateful to conduct this morning assembly on the occasion of International Family Day.
In today's fast-moving world, we often become busy chasing success, goals, and responsibilities. Yet, at the end of a tiring day, it is the trust, the peace, and the strength that comes with our family. Family is not about the blood relations. It is about the love, the trust, the sacrifice, the standing, and and understanding that we have towards each other.
With these thoughts, let us begin today's assembly by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. I request everyone to kindly stand for the morning prayer. Responsible individuals and responsible individuals create a strong society. Now, let us move towards the news segment. I invite today's news readers for today's news.
Today's international news is UK Starmer says his government is a 10-year project despite calls to quit. Hantavirus hit cruise ship arrives in Spain's Canary Island. Indonesian rescuers find hiker's body after volcanic eruption.
Today's national news is Indian designers and fashion markers shine at the Met Gala. Indian fashion labels and creators played a major role at the 2026 Met Gala, not just in outfits, but behind the scenes too. An Indian company from Kerala actually weaved the red carpet used at the event, highlighting India's growing influence and cultural diversity.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports headlines are Barcelona won their second consecutive La Liga title by thrashing Real Madrid by 2-0. While in IPL, CSK won against LSD due to fiery innings of Urmil Patel. RCB won against MI by 2 wickets due to an intentful knock by Krunal Pandya and bowling masterclass by Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Today's Today's weather report is today's maximum temperature is expected to be 34 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Sun rose at 5:31 a.m. and will set at 7:08 p.m. There are 40% chances of rain today. Thank you.
A thoughtful line can sometimes change the way we look at life. And for today's thought of day, I invite Ayansh, Danish, Samreet and Simran.
It's everything.
Family isn't everything. It is the only thing that truly remains.
Family is the most supportive.
Family teaches us some life's great lessons. How to love, how to forgive, and how to stay strong even when life becomes difficult. I invite Livia to share her thoughts on International Family Day.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I stand before you to speak on the occasion of International Family Day, which is celebrated every year on 15th May. This day reminds us of the importance of families shaping our lives and building strong societies. A family is not just a group of people living together. It is a circle of love, care, and support. It is the first place where we learn to speak, to share, to respect, and most importantly, to understand values like kindness and responsibility. In today's fast-paced world, we often get so busy in our studies, work, and gadgets that we often forget to spend quality time with our families. However, it is during the hard time that we truly realize the strength of our family. They are the ones who stand by us, encourage us, and help us rise again. International Family Day highlights different forms of family, nuclear or joint, big or small. However, the most important thing is that the bond we share. Love, care, and understanding. They are the pillars which hold every family together. So let us take this day as an opportunity to express some gratitude towards our family members. A simple thank you, spending time with them, helping them can make a big difference. Strong families create strong communities, and strong communities build strong nations. So let us promise that we will value our family members, respect our elders, and most importantly, create a loving environment at our home. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Poetry has a beautiful way of expressing emotions that ordinary words cannot. Now I invite Vihan to present an English poem dedicated to the beauty of family.
Good morning everyone. Today on International Family Day, I would like to recite a poem. My family stands beside me in all I do each day. They guide me when I'm lost and help me find my way. A family is a treasure, a gift beyond compare. No matter where life takes us, we know that love is there. So let us all thank our families for all they do each day. Their love and care will always light up our path and way. Thank you.
Values begin, dreams grow, and love stays constant through every stage of life. Now, let us understand more about the significance of International Family Day through a special presentation.
Is observed every year on 15th May. It was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in 1993 and was first celebrated on 15th May 1994. The primary purpose of this day is to raise awareness about the social, economic, and cultural issues that affect families around the world. Every year, the United Nations designate a specific theme that focuses on a particular challenge which is related to family, such as education, health, or poverty.
National Family Day is celebrated. It is celebrated because family means a lot to the society, and the stronger the families, the stronger the society will be. Also, it reminds the government about the responsibilities for us. They need to provide families with health facilities and educational facilities. Also, at the end of the day, whether the family may be nuclear or single parent family, at the end we have to recognize that all families are unique. Thank you. And types of family. The first type is joint family. A joint family consists of multiple generations: grandparents, parents, children, and sometimes aunts and uncles, all living together under one roof. This structure promotes a strong sense of unity, shared responsibility, and emotional security.
Second, we have nuclear family. A nuclear family consists of only parents and the children, living independently from extended relatives. This structure has become increasingly common in urban areas due to migration for work and education. It offers greater privacy and independence, though it places more responsibility in each parent.
Single parent family is a family with one parent only. This may happen due to divorce or one of the parents dying. And what we need to do is support these families. Thank you.
Now the question arises, how can we celebrate International Family Day? Celebrating does not require grand gestures. It is small intentional acts of love and connection. We can reach out our grandparents, relatives, and even our neighbors. And a simple phone call can mean nothing. Make it a point to share a meal with your family and free from the distractions of phones and screens. Take a quiet moment to genuinely thank your family and guardians for the sacrifices they have made. You might also consider a heartful letter or card to a family member. You can plant a tree together as your bond. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. The warmth of a family sounds beautiful in every language. Now I invite Harman and Yuvraj to present a Punjabi poem on family love and togetherness.
ਭਰਾ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵਸਦੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਮਾਂ ਪਿਓ ਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਹੱਥ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਬੇਅੰਤ ਲਾਡ ਪਿਆਰ
ਬੇਬੇ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਬਾਪੂ ਦੀਆਂ ਡੂੰਘੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਵੀਰ ਭੈਣ ਦੇ ਹਾਸਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਰੋਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਰਾਤਾਂ
ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦਾ ਦੁੱਖ ਵੰਡਣਾ ਇਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਅਸਲੀ ਸਾਂਝ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀ ਗੰਢ ਹੋਵੇ ਪੱਕੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਮਾਂਝ ਹੁੰਦੀ
ਘਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੰਧਾਂ ਬੋਲਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਚਪਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਦਾਦੀ ਮਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੋ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਅਤੇ ਰਾਜੇ ਰਾਣੀਆਂ
ਭਾਵੇਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਘੁੰਮ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਕੂਨ ਤਾਂ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਛਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੇਠਾਂ ਹੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਫਲ ਖਿੜਦਾ ਹੈ
ਰਿਸ਼ਤਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਹੈ ਨਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਂਝਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੁਲਾਰ ਜੱਗ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਜੱਗ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ
ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
As we conclude today's assembly, let us remember that no achievement in life can ever replace the comfort and support of our family. I request everyone to kindly stand for the national anthem.